Hello, and welcome to Goal Setting. My name is Catherine, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Today I'm going to be sharing tips and resources to help you achieve your goal of eating healthier. Tip number 1, make it personal. Healthy eating may not look the same for every person. It will make it easier to eat healthier if you take some time to figure out what that means for you. So seek out professional advice. The USDA provides tools at myplate.gov to help you figure out what you should be eating for your healthiest self. And at your next appointment, talk to your doctor about your overall health goals and what dietary changes can help you to reach them. Some health conditions require specific diets, and accredited professionals who are familiar with your medical history are the best guides for this. Tip number 2, make it specific and simple. Once you have a clear idea of what you should be eating to be healthy, make specific plans to stock your fridge with those foods and avoid ones that are not doctor approved. To help you identify what specific changes or swaps you need to make, try to compare what you usually have been eating to what the experts are recommending. It may help to look at past grocery orders or receipts. Try to identify small, simple changes you can make to keep it manageable, like replacing unhealthy snack foods with a healthy alternative, or maybe even just not buying a particular item so you're not tempted by having it in your home. If you need help getting fresh, healthy food, you are not alone. Thousands of families are facing food shortages right now, and there is help available. Go to covid19.lacounty.gov/food for locations where you can get free food now. And you can also visit www.getcalfresh.org to apply for food assistance through the CalFresh program. CalFresh benefits are given through an electronic benefit transfer EBT card, which works like a debit card. Most grocery stores, corner stores, and farmers markets accept EBT. Tip number 3, make it convenient. Try to make the healthier alternative more convenient than the unhealthy one. For example, cut up some fruits and veggies in the morning so that it's easy to grab them to snack on when you're hungry midday. Or place a glass of water next to your desk so it'll be easier to drink that than to walk to the kitchen for a soda. Staying hydrated is important, so try to drink water before you feel thirsty. The feeling of thirst is actually a sign that you are already dehydrated. Try starting your day by drinking a glass of water before you have any coffee or tea to get off to a good start. Tip number 4, make it yourself. One way to improve your diet is to prepare more of your food yourself instead of relying on pre-made meals or takeout. That's because recipes you make yourself usually have more fresh ingredients and less salt, sugar, and preservatives than ones that are pre-made or prepared at a restaurant. Plus, you can adjust recipes to meet your dietary needs. LA County Library has a wide variety of cookbooks with healthy recipes available to borrow to help you prepare some healthy meals for yourself and your family. Look in our catalog for physical cookbooks and on Overdrive or Hoopla for digital ones. Try one new recipe each week or month, and by the end of the year, you'll be sure to find a handful that are easy, quick, and delicious to add to your meal rotation. If you are a visual learner, we have great cooking DVDs available where you can watch the meals being prepared. And if you'd like extra support, there are many instructor-led cooking classes available through our Universal Class database. The tip to eating healthier or reaching any goal is to figure out what works for you. Some of these tips will appeal to you and others won't, and that's okay. Hopefully today you found a new tip or two to try. We hope you have enjoyed today's goal-setting video on eating healthier. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now!